Welcome to 24 Providence Manor Court. This charming 2-bedroom, 2 full bath patio home with a 1-car garage, covered front entry, fenced backyard, as well as updated luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring throughout inside. It's located in the Courtyard at Providence Plantation neighborhood in Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to I-77 and I-20. Northeast Columbia amenities, as well as Fort Jackson. So we're out front. You can see home sits on a cul-de-sac street. It's a duplex patio home. You have a 1-car garage, as you saw there, and then walkway leading around to the covered front porch. We'll step inside. We have very nicely updated luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring throughout inside. So we come into the home, into the open floor plan living dining and kitchen area. As you can see right off the entry, you do have access to the garage. So I have a medium or small size SUV parked in there right now, just to give you an idea of scale, but it's a pretty nice size 1-car garage space. So the living room here to the left off the entry, you have vaulted ceilings, a ceiling fan, wood burning fireplace, and a couple of nice sized windows. Sort of our partition coming off of the front door there, so you can have just some furniture, some additional stuff behind the door, so you're not having guests or whoever come right into the property as soon as you come in. So you can see it's nice and open with the pass through here on both sides to the dining area, which is open to the kitchen as well. You have wood cabinets and stainless steel appliances in here. There is a refrigerator, electric range, not smooth top, above range microwave, and also a dishwasher. And then also forgot to mention, you do have sort of a shallow counter bar if you do want to put some stools there as well. So laundry room, nice full-size laundry room with the door and some built-in cabinets above, right off of the beginning of the hall space. So off the hall, you have a full bathroom, nice size counter and vanity in there, shower and tub, and you do have a nice linen closet here included inside the bathroom, and another coat closet out in the hall. The primary suite is in the back right corner, faces the backyard space, which we'll take a look at in a second. You have a ceiling fan in here, nice light coming in as of right now, and your bathroom space, private bath. You have a single sink, large vanity in there. As you can see straight through these double doors, you have a walk-in closet. There is an attic pull down. There may be some storage space up there. And then behind a separate door, you do have a shower and tub and commode in there. So convenient if you have 2 people needing to get ready or access that at the same time. And then last but not, at the back of the home, again, we have access to the backyard space. You have, as you can see, a nice patio back here. And you have some privacy fencing and also an exterior storage room that has a door which you can close and lock also. And then finally, last but not least, is the 2nd bedroom in the home. So you can see here, also faces the backyard, and you have a nice sized closet on the opposite wall. So that completes our tour of this home, 24 Providence Plantation Court in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.